Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you there are proven ways to turn your free time into a life-changing income? In this video, we're uncovering 7 powerful side hustles that have the potential to make you a millionaire by 2025. Stick around, because this could be the most important video you watch this year. Welcome to SmartCoin Chronicles, the go-to channel for smart financial strategies and tips to help you achieve financial freedom. Today's video is all about taking control of your financial future. Side hustles are no longer just a trend, they're a necessity in today's economy. But not all side hustles are created equal. We've done the research and found 7 side hustles that are not only profitable, but could set you on a path to becoming a millionaire. Let's get started. Segment 1. Why side hustles are essential for 2025. In 2025, the cost of living is rising faster than ever. For many, one source of income just doesn't cut it anymore. A side hustle is more than just a way to make extra money, it's a way to secure your financial future. Side hustles allow you to diversify your income, explore new skills and passions, create scalable opportunities for long-term wealth. And if you're smart about it, the right side hustle can grow into something far bigger than just extra income. It can become the foundation of your financial independence. Segment 2. The 7 side hustles. 1. Content creation. One of the most accessible and scalable side hustles today is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok allow you to share your knowledge, skills, or creativity with the world. Whether it's cooking, tech reviews, or motivational advice, there's an audience for everything. Start small, remain consistent, and over time, your content can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and product sales. 2. Freelancing. High demand skills. If you have skills like graphic design, writing, programming, or video editing, freelancing can be incredibly lucrative. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Top will connect you with clients willing to pay for your expertise. Freelancing offers flexibility, and as your portfolio grows, so can your rates. Many people have turned freelancing into a full-time career, earning 6 figures or more annually. 3. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Dropshipping has revolutionized the way people start businesses. You can set up an online store without ever holding inventory. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to sell products directly to customers. Focus on identifying trending products, creating great marketing campaigns, and providing excellent customer service to build a thriving business. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate is one of the most proven ways to build wealth, but not everyone has the capital to buy property outright. That's where real estate crowdfunding comes in. Platforms like Fundrise and Real-Time you invest small amounts into large-scale real estate projects. Over time, you can earn dividends or see your investment grow as property values increase. 5. Print-on-demand businesses. Print-on-demand is perfect for creatives. If you can design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, platforms like Printful or Redbubble will handle production and shipping for you. All you need to do is create designs that people love and promote them online. With the right marketing strategy, this can be a highly scalable business. 6. Stock market investing. The stock market remains one of the best ways to grow wealth over time. Platforms like Robinhood and eTrade make it easy to start investing, even if you don't have much money. Focus on low-risk, high-reward options like index funds or blue-chip stocks. With patience and consistency, your portfolio can grow significantly. 7. Online courses and coaching. Do you have expertise in a particular area? Turn that knowledge into an online course or coaching business. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell courses to a global audience. From fitness training to digital marketing, the demand for online learning is skyrocketing. Segment 3. Tips to start your side hustle journey. Starting a side hustle can feel overwhelming, but the key is to begin with small, achievable goals. Here's how you can get started. Identify your strengths. Choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills or interests. Set a schedule. Dedicate specific hours each week to your side hustle. Invest in yourself. Learn the skills you need to excel. Be patient. Growth takes time, so stay consistent and motivated. Remember, the most successful side hustlers didn't achieve overnight success. They built their empires one step at a time. Segment 4. Why these side hustles work. These side hustles are proven because they leverage trends in technology, consumer behavior, and market demands. They don't just provide extra income, they offer opportunities for exponential growth. Whether you're looking for financial security or aiming to become a millionaire, these hustles give you the tools to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching SmartCoin Chronicles. If you're serious about changing your financial future, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming tips and strategies. Drop a comment below and let us know which side hustle you're excited to try. Let's make 2025 the year you achieve financial independence.